Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 10:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesdays, November 17, 2021. It's not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified of the videos that come out. Share the video, thumbs up the video. Intraday updates below. We are talking about Fetch.AI, artificial intelligence. Let's get straight into the price action on Fetch to US dollar. We had this line here yesterday. We have been over it. We went down on the 15th, a couple days back. Started pulling up. We almost passed it at 80 cents. This is the 80-cent line, which is in gray, and it's that horizontal gray line. We also have a floor support still sitting, slightly below, a lot below, only 14% below at 68 cents. We did touch this gray line earlier, and we did have a little bit of a pullback. There seems to be some pressure building on altcoins. We're going to go into what's going on there, and the pressure is upward, not downward, in a good way. Fetch to Bitcoin also consolidating here. I'm going to zoom into this so we could all play along. Also hitting the this diagonal line of what was once support, now resistance. We pulled back a little bit, but we did hit the line pretty sharply at 13.25, maybe a little over that. But we're right now down to 12.91. We do have an area of support around 12.26. We will keep our eye on this. But right now, it looks like sideways chop, but I kind of feel a little bullish here on altcoins today, more so than yesterday. First of all, Bitcoin. What's going on here? We still haven't broken 658,000. It's pretty remarkable. We've had much time here. It's been since last time we were below 58, and I wouldn't really call this really below over here, which was literally a wick. But back here pretty much was where we had support at 58 back on October 13th. So we have held pretty much above 58K since then, over a month ago. So unless we go down below 58, I don't think we're going to hit 54, which is this other blue line, which kind of takes us back in time to prior lows down here, and if we do get back down there, we would hit it at 54. I don't expect that to happen unless we break 58. So we have not been able to do that yet, and until that happens, right now we're kind of bullish on this thing. All right, let's go over to Bitcoin dominance. Again, right here, we do have upward trajectory on that support line. However, we just started recently breaking it. Starting to sense that there might be a turnaround here. This is a pretty steep decline in the Bitcoin dominance pair, which kind of leads me to believe that there might be some new fresh capital coming into Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up, and Bitcoin dominance is going down. That's actually very, very helpful for altcoins, more so than Bitcoin. So fear is starting to fade, and the fear fade result here is that altcoins are favorable. So I think looking pretty good. So we're going to continue to monitor this, especially the Fetch to Bitcoin pair, which really kind of compares this altcoin relative to Bitcoin. You can kind of compare this pair, this Fetch to Bitcoin pair, with Bitcoin dominance. And again, we will have a show on exclusively educational towards what Bitcoin dominance means. But in the meantime, Fetch US dollar really needs to break 80 cents properly in order for us to start to see some rally here. Otherwise, we are constrained between 80 and 68. We'll catch up soon. Take care.